Well, wrinkles are a sign of underlying muscle contraction that is transmitted to the skin.
Right.
So when muscles contract, obviously the skin that overlies them bends and flexes, and that eventually becomes a wrinkle.
So that over time, so if I smile, these lines here, that's muscle, but the wrinkle will form on the skin?
Absolutely, yes. Anytime you fold the skin in a repetitive fashion, it's going to form a wrinkle.
Okay, so are there different types of wrinkles, or?
Well, there are actually different kinds of wrinkles. There are what we call dynamic wrinkles, and those are wrinkles that get worse or are formed by muscle movement, by the facial muscles of expression. So
Right.
frowning is one of those things, crow's feet are another one of those things, or scowling is one of those things. And those are the kind of wrinkles or lines that we treat with Botox.
Right, so what is Botox?
Well, Botox is a marvelous misunderstood molecule. Everyone has an idea or an opinion about Botox, but basically it's an injectable substance that prevents muscles from contracting.
Right, I love that, a marvelous misunderstood molecule.
Well, it is that, because I say everyone has their opinion about Botox,
Yes.
but generally people don't really understand how
Right.
it works.
So it stops the muscles from...
It stops the muscles from contracting in the
Okay.
areas where we inject Botox.
Right, so then if you've got your face has sort of become scowly, it becomes non-scowly, if you like, or happier?
It becomes happier. That's exactly what Botox is about. And Botox is difficult to explain, but it's easy to see the effects of Botox. It's a
Right.
very visual treatment. We're not interested in removing all form of facial expression from people, but we're interested in modulating or toning down inappropriate expressions.
Right.
For example, the complaint that we get from people is they say, "I look angry." And those people are wearing their faces in such a way that makes them unapproachable or makes them
Right.
look hostile or angry. And it's that kind of modulation of expression, particularly in the forehead, that Botox is ideal for.
Right, so you can remove that angry expression.
We can change the way you wear your face.
Right, because people might not be angry, just their face is folded that way, is that what you're
Precisely.
saying?
Yes, they wear their face in an unconscious way. They use their face in an unconscious way, which may not be the way they want to express their emotions. They may
Right.
transmit hostility and anger without even knowing it.
Now, how long does treatment take?
Well, Botox treatment is very straightforward. It will take 10 to 15 minutes to do.
Oh,
It's done here at Cosmedica on a routine basis, but it starts to work not immediately. It starts to work after 4 to 5 days. So the day you have your treatment, nothing will happen.
so you leave, but then you see your face transform?
Well, gradually, I mean, everyone has the Botox experience, goes home and looks in the mirror right away to see if anything's happening. And clearly that first day, nothing does happen.
Right.
But the second day, the intensity of that contraction is not as intense, and third day it softens, and fourth day it softens, and it peaks at about 2 weeks, and it lasts about 3 or 4 months.
Right, and people, I mean, if you're getting rid of all of those frowns and sort of, expressions that you really don't want to have on your face, and brightening it up and widening it up, making it more approachable, I'm assuming, that's a real gift.
Well, that's our goal with Botox, is make your face more approachable.